Hello everyone, and welcome back to Revit Snippets. Great tips you can learn in a few minutes. Today we look at this warning here in particular. It has to do with the path to your family templates for Revit is invalid. Essentially means that Revit couldn't find this location and now it's asking you for a fix. It could be annoying to see this every single time when you open the application and have to close it every time as well. So today let's try and fix this for good. The first step is to open my Revit obviously, and then I have to make sure and close this recent files window. To do so, I'm going to use this arrow back button there, and then go to the File menu, choose Options. Under the File Locations tab, you will see one box for default path to family templates. As you can see, it's getting to an invalid location in my case. That's why I was getting the error. And now I can click Browse to fix that. Now it depends on your system. You may have to go to a different place to get what I am getting to right now. But usually, for most of the time, this is where we should go. Go to the C drive and find the program data folder. It's a hidden folder by default, so we have to unhide it first. You have to then do so from your File Explorer window. Open this, go to the File menu, and choose Change Folder and Search options. We can go to the View tab next, and make sure to show hidden files, folders, and drives. Click OK to accept it. And now, if I go back to here, refresh this window, the program data folder is now there for me to select. You see that? If you now go and open it, you can see Autodesk. And here it's just a case of picking your Revit version from this window. It's a big window with lots of folders, but we can go for 2021 in my case. We can go next to Family Templates. Make sure you go for Family Templates and not Templates. These are for starting new RVT project files. We want families, so we can go here. Choose your language. I'm going to go for English. And no need to go any further. We can now click Open to confirm the new path and click OK to accept. If I now go to New Family, it will straight to that folder for me, yeah? And I can go and select one of those templates. Now, in some rare cases, this folder may not even exist, and that's because maybe when you installed Revit, you didn't choose to include family templates for some reasons, or maybe it was deleted before your time. In that case, you need to get it back again, get this folder back from the Autodesk website. To do so, simply go to your search engine and find Revit Content Library Download. Select the first result from the Autodesk website, and here use your Revit version for the first step. Next, choose your language. In my case, I'm going to go for English US, and then pick the family templates for the metric system. Now that's going to download the executable, and we'll come back when that's ready. Okay, that's ready now, and I got my coffee. We can now go to see the download in this folder and just run it. These are the options it gives you, not much, so I'm going to accept and extract. And that should be it. If you didn't have this folder before, that step should have created it for you. Alright, I hope that works for you to solve this annoying little bug or warning, and I'll see you in the next video.